In this video, I'll show you how to reset the toner of your Brother MFC-L2710DW. So how do you do this? Very easy. The first step is to actually turn on your printer, and then we're going to open the door over here where you insert usually your toner. So open it and keep it open. Next, what you need to do is to find this button, clear, and this button over here, stop exit. We'll need to keep press this clear button, and half second after you pressed actually this button, press this stop exit button. It's a bit tricky, you may not get it the first time, because if you press both at the same time, nothing will happen. But if I press like this, whoops, you see even that doesn't work. I need to retry it a few times. Here we go. So try it a few times, clear, and right after the button is inserted, keep it pressed and press the stop exit button to get this TNRSTR menu appearing. Then press the lower button once you see it. Press it a few times until you see TNR-HC. Once you see that, then press OK. Press the upper arrow here, the upper button, to confirm. It will say accepted, and the toner will be resetted. After doing this, go ahead and close the door. And this is about it. Usually in a few seconds, you'll be able to print again. So thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. I hope I explained it well. Please leave a comment down below, subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.